Nice, guys. As you can see, it's actually generating our coins and RGP. Hey your people, what is up? It's your boy Mighty Reds, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you the latest trick how I got unlimited coins and GP in my eFootball game. Guys, you can do it on your mobile or your PC or your PlayStation, guys. It works for every device. Just is important to enter your user ID, and I will show you everything step by step how you can do this. So guys, go to Google or any browser you got and navigate to this website. It's called appsnake.com, and then we will search for eFootball. There we go, it's third, and click there, guys. So we will have to enter our user ID, guys. I have already copied mine. Just click how to find it, and guys, go to extras, go to user personal info, and you will find your, just click copy user ID and you will find it easily. So guys, go to user personal info, copy it and paste there. So just click continue and it will search for our account, so it should find it. As you can see, user found. Nice. So guys, second step is to select our coins and GP amount. I will select almost 1 million and click continue. So allow it up to 15 seconds to connect to the API, guys. And make sure to subscribe to my channel Mighty Reds to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. So yeah, okay, nice, guys. As you can see, we got our API connected and our user account connected. So guys, we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, and guys, it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our coins and GP. So guys, there we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, what will I do now? I will download TikTok and download Domino Dreams. So just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from the official publishers. I mean, if you're using your Android, it will start downloading from Google Play. And if you're using your iOS devices, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's also really important to follow their instructions. So for TikTok, I will download and install this, then run it for 30 seconds. And for Domino Dreams, I will install it, open and complete chapter 5. So guys, that's pretty much what will I do it now. So see you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. So guys, let's see together, will we actually get redirected? Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Our user ID, our coins and our GP is sent. So guys, let's open our eFootball game and let's see does it actually work. So guys, it should send us almost 1 million coins and GP. So let's see. Let's wait this loading screen. So let me click here, guys. Okay. Nice, guys. As you can see, it's actually generating our coins and RGP, and it works amazing, guys. As you can see, nice. So appsnake.com is absolutely free and safe website where you can get all these free resources for your eFootball game on mobile, on PlayStation, or even on your PC. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.